What day is it?
This is Friday.
Friday, the first day of spring break.
Woo! Yeah!
Which is the 21st or 22nd. Gonna go paddle the mighty Otter Creek.
I got a feeling a nigga could make a killing if he packed up his bags and moved to New Zealand, New Guinea, New York. You need something new besides the fucking Newports. Prepared to be dead, the street said. Your shit's soft like wheat bread, your own block. You make shit they won't knock. I'm a worldwide hustler. Hoes be at us cause of OG status. Fans throw weed at us. And I spread love just the same. Let this Buddha bless your brain, sexy thing. Yeah, it's time to take this act on the road. Come back, get back on the...
I don't doubt you, I'd be there for you, there for you. I'll be right beside you, just me and you. You know I don't doubt you, I'd be there for you, just me and you. I'll be right beside you, just me and you.
I'm leaving, don't nobody worry, I'll be doing my damn thing. Quick, fast, in a hurry, dream weaving. Keeping me and my team even, shifting time zones, trying to see the 7 seas and everything in between. We heavy and we heavenly, so we love wherever we see. From the banks of the Mississippi to the shores of Tripoli, we do more tours and wage wars. I'm swimming in women and living without limit. My penmanship got me on a trip spinning around the world. Bullshit aside, we on a worldwide ride.
You know I don't doubt you, I'd be there for you, there for you. Right beside you, just me and you. You know I don't doubt you, I'd be there for you, just me and you. I'll be right beside you, just me and you.
Damn, baby, don't cry like that. I gotta get this money, ma, I'll be back. And he turned and walked into the world. Young man facing the land, chasing his dreams. Motivated by a picture of his daughters he embraced in his hand. Thinking what it might take him to win. And a 9 to 5 ain't supplying what he trying to drive. Looked up and got signed a job. For a deal, got a $250,000. Shot back to the house on the hill and blow some dough. The show was real. Flossed his wheels and lost his deal. But it's just a setback. Your boy got get back. Kept that ball rolling. God bless his G's and best some cheese. And now they all rolling. Just doing what a man to do. Handle your business or the Stay away from cannabis like Wyclef.
Deacon and no fry sex.
Similar to Christ.
Got divine reps, so tell me.
If you know you're going down,
why step?
Show no mercy.
When bruising crews,
get hit with more bricks than New Jerusalem.
Riddles confusing fools,
like confusion rules.
Most cats are more square than Rubik's cubes.
We spit raps that are totally murderous.
Our rhymes are like an anaconda serpent clutch.
So check out how these herbs get touched.
Unless your broad's giving us brains,
nigga, you ain't serving us.
Deacon and no
cunning linguist with stunning English.
Our true lies break more punks than
Harry Rehnquist.
Very weak
with
kids.
The best speech. Roll with cats that smoke more trees than the slash and burn technique.
Sex beats between bed sheets.
Red fleets, Pulp Fiction style.
Leaving your car with red seats.
We make like fly swatters and smash pads.
Put peeps under more pressure than a Kelly Price bed set.
Leaving bodies looking like samples from the Warshak test.
Ink blots.
So fuck around and get your team rocked.
Jugs in the back with the beam cock.
The plots to have everything between LA and Queens locked.
Word, word, yo, check it out. Cunning linguist. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know how we do. I mean, you probably don't know how we do, but you about to find out like what? Like what? Like what? Yeah. Like what? Like what? Check it. Check that shit out.
We break it down for everybody. You know what I'm saying? Give them something to take home and digest.
In jail.
Everything, you know what I'm saying?
In jail.
You know, something we can teach the youth, you know what I'm saying? Steer them in the right direction.
The bail. In jail.
You know what I'm saying? We ain't trying to be no role models.
In jail.
Or nothing like that.
Without the bail.
In jail.
1, 2, 3, let's go.
Find at 17, young and naive. Pass into a world with killers, robbers, and thieves. Cramped in the 8-man cell with 10 cats. 8 on the box and 3 free on just match. Housed in max with cats facing all day. Habitual ways, short the long-term shades. Going back and forth the circuit. My life hanging on a verdict. And laws I'm unable to interpret. I just knew I had to do some time. Bottom line laid up. Some years or so away from mine. Locked from the sun, moon, and sky. Lack of fresh air had me feeling pale and dry. Circles forming under my eyes from sleepless weeks. Stress levels off the hook. Reaching the new peaks, homesick for my peoples in the streets. A huge weight bearing on my back. I'm chain smoking roll-ups in attempts to counteract. And ride my rack was no getaway. Cause life goes on and tomorrow's just another day of the same routine. Ain't a damn thing new. Either I grind, watch a tube, hit the phone to get a view. So much time and so little to do. Just waiting on the court date so I can get through. Caught between a rock and a hard place. Prosecution had a hard case, so I'd have to plead or escape. If I took it to try, it would've gave me a boat. Fresh 25 piece like a noose with a rope. I couldn't go that route, no doubt. So I waited for the best offer, and then I copped the hell out after getting sentenced. I was eager to ride, just to be outside, just to see the sky. No more bars, no more court. Held the county, made the joint sound like a resort. I was all in for it, had my shit packed and ready to jet. Standing at the bars, anxious, waiting on the depth. Without the bill, in jail. Without the bill, in jail. Without the bill, in jail.